Muria dako brokire ri. Tondu weta mundu nawe no nginya wiyurie. Mundu ucio da brokire da mu brokire ri. Eno bara ne ditu. Muragire imai. It is more spiritual ukira physical ria tumionaga. Ndiramuria dako brokire ri.
Oi, mutigato kenie. Trizah araigania brokiro ni Mr. Nake Karangu ni oka amuria kiuria dako brokire ri. Wa mbere reke njuge Karangu wagiru gukira ki tia kumucokerio na ate reke igi uria wothe ke tutore uria wothe kwenda reke igi uria wothe kwenda we kiraki ona wagiru kumubrock tondu ni akiumire gwaku munyitiranitio na ciana tondu ciana no wina cio ri ukamu unblock riria akagira ciana korwo no uraikara nacio but for now ona kumubrock it's the best way. Riu ni kiuria kira ndina kio kinene ni gwi Trizah nikio tindire ufuatiriire Karangu uguo tondu no akiumire ti mundu mwega ni uragitira uria mundu muru nikio gitindire kimufuatite uguo ni ndurenda kubrock wa brock ni uru Broko ni uru tutigithie akone da ucoka muci no tutigithie tio tindo itura ni Mr. Many broke Karangu mu broke yeye ako no do arenda ni oke muci broke wacha kuona kitu yote unafanya broke vio aratinda kufuatiriire ni kiangiko ndai na wira waku kama me move on na ku arenda akorwo utamubrokete niguo ki ekirage maundu ma guturia Karangu ndugetikire maundu macio mubrock ikarote kuona it's better something that you don't see. It's better for your own peace of mind. Concentrate na kurera ciana ciaku na kuruta wira ekiamberere kuguo thuria kwenda ni celeb career woman ni career woman Karia umani ya biashara sere ni atia gutindirira muno we na atia utindo cokeirie andu cio maundu kiria mitandao we makirire ki ti utinda gocoketie achana nao kabisa wakira ni makurigo riu makwaja nyikiri nuona aona ni abroko ni aga complain wa mwira acoka wa mwira mwari ndekwenda the best way reke ngwire Karangu nyamazia huyu mama kabisa mblock hivyo anasema mblock and you be a real man. Stop explaining things to people. Mistake ile nene muno Karangu wekaga ni gutwika mundu ati no muhaka we explain ri andu no muhaka ugetherie ritwa riaku. Stop doing that. You are not a real man when you do that. Itwe twendaga mundurume utakagwo macuru mundume ndakagwo macuru mundume ni mugambo ati warugama iga kaundu nduhana ta kiengei maundu make mathirire ni gukorwo kiengei ti mundu akohakwo macuru nake amuire ndagacokanirie na mundu na agikira na akiuga eguconcentrate na maundu make riu andu mamurumire andu makimucambia makinoga tondu ndarespondaga. Your biggest problem Karangu ni kurespond. Tigana nao. Mr. Memdi Brock, sawa. We kira, like we ona no kire. Don't comment anything. Ona hata hivyo hiyo issue anaduka respond in your own page. Like gwire Karangu. Ona uri andu maroka page yaku ate waingira live makajia gwika. Stop reading the comments. Be a real man. Don't be affected by the comments. Don't read the comments. Igira live uga maundu maku na uge ndurithoma comments. We ukaigira tu ukageithia andu ukaiga uria uraiga live ciaku. Ignore them. Let me tell you, ni jikarite kundu kuingi muno and I have learned something. If you want to be successful, we andu makuhe gitio, always ignore them. Ignore them and live your life. Stop responding to people. Ogotiza ni agacoka reke agoka kana aragwetho nake namba yake no yote ko block but social media pages she don't have a right to them. It's your own rights. You can do with it what you want. Ukisikia kublock mtu, block yeye. Block. Kama kona aja na we, she knows where she can get you. Noni ati utinda aguthukirie ritwa muno. Tuokera Mr. agaikia kaundu. O tuokera agaikia kaundu. Onake ni akuhe thayu riu. Ni twamenyire mothe, ni twakimenyire ni wamwikire na no wamwikire maundu macio mothe. No riu it's time for also onake move on. Ivato ni agitwite ndaracoka gwaku ri. Ni agitigane na maica maku ni tie ucoro arenda kuona ga page yaku ekete nayo. Akona maundu maria ora post. Arakufuatirira uguo niki? Ena maica make, ni atie utinda kufuatiriire. Akona maisha yake. Sasa aendelee. Rĩrĩa akaigua nenda gucoka ri, ni ũrĩa angĩkuona. Kuo ni atie utinda agatuikiria agaikia kaugo Facebook ni getha urumwo ni andu. Onake anticipate andu magoka magakuruma we akagia fame. Hau ni arahetia muno onake. Ni atutigithie, ni atiga kurumithia Karangu. Mwana cia nake kiria kihiko. Mwana cia wendo kuhinda rĩrĩa mwari wendo-inĩ ucio muingi ni atie gutinda agikurumithia online onake. Kama umemblock no muhaka ukiatwire uramublock tondu you need your space. So ni eherie tondu ni endaga space. Even you Karangu, you need your own space and be a real man. Tia gucokaniria na andu. It is enough. Na ndirarigwo no muhaka wethe athuri mari gutaraga ta Kiengei uri endete amofa mwendu maramwira haha tiga gwiko nigetha Karangu we wigi urugame kinyita mundurume utige guthakirwo ni andu athakirwo kinya ni mwana nini. It's high time why muturire iguru uguo unyiti uguo uge it's life. I'm a man and I'm going to be a real man because of my kids. Mune uthakirwo muno ni andu ona we riu ukira uge enough is enough. You are a real man na uge mundume ni mugambo we umukirire ki block yeye si amesema block yeye na unyamaze na ndukende gucokeria ona ukiurio na kiriko. Nyamaza ndugacokerie we thii na mbere na muturire waku fanya vitu zako. Areka tundu tu wewe wako karumu ugatinda gokirimu block yeye na unyamaze. Ona wahingura page yaku don't read the comments. Eke andu mahuyo kama gakira makona Karangu da respond. Uguo niguo Kiengei ekaga haria na Kiengei he's my friend and I know Kiengei da respondaga nowadays. He don't respond. That's why respect ya Kiengei ithiite ikiambataga ona kuria atihitie guothe guthiite kweherete tondu Kiengei ni arugamire ta mundurume akimenya nie urimu uyu wa social media nduguthukiria muturire ndukunjagithia thayu and that's what you're supposed to do. I know I don't know how but once you are friends na Kiengei so you should ask him how do I deal with this. Sometimes mundu mene atwara pride yake thi makaraniria na mundu uria ungimuteithia kana wethe no mwaka ukorwo na muthuri murikaraga nake uthi uguo mukaraniria mukerana kuhana haigeka atia but don't respond to anybody in social media. Stop it Karangu, stop it kabisa for your own good. Stop it for your own peace. Karangu ndukana respondere mundu ringi. It's high time you stop and be a real man. Uge de mundurume na niĩ gucokaniria na mundu no cio mutumia akorwo na bata nawe. Let her look for you now. Nioe mucie nioe kuria guothe angikuona na nioe arata aku. Mublock no kireki na ndukana murie kiuria endelea with the story. I think you are very busy man. You should not be tondu pete tutiagirwo uko tukiaffect muturire. That is petty issues. Mr. Menibrock okona okabrutik unako continue. That is how we survive. By the way, maju we brutik people a lot even in WhatsApp. Unasoma una ignore no kathina bena mutu and you don't even put that in your mind that utide besiritie ati mundu ni okire ukuhe gift gigutuma wiwe we guilty. Don't allow those people to use you like that. When kwa oraga peace na umaratinda magitheka mena kuma kaigana ndamutesa cindano ingi kenda kende mwagithie thayo biu Don't allow that. Onawe studly now ni hinda rĩaku ũrũgame na ndũkanareke rĩngĩ o rĩngĩ ũrahũthia ũguo othe tondũ nĩwe wĩyanĩkaga mitandao-inĩ moka makwenya Karangu nĩ mũsofti. No, don't be like that. Tondũ gũtirĩ mũndũ ũngĩthiĩ gũthakĩra. Me, I always look Kĩengei-inĩ ndoraga Kĩengei mũno because that man is a very wise man. Kĩengei is a wise man. Tondu Kĩengei kwĩ hĩndĩ agĩtũrĩte acokanĩirie na no he andũ akinyire ngwĩciria andũ arĩa mamũtaraga nĩ mamũtaraga wega na Kĩengei rĩu ndarespondagĩra mũndũ. We okaga ka preach mwĩtĩkie mugĩra mũkuga ona page yake mũthiĩ muge atĩa, he doesn't respond na ndaikagĩra ũndũ ũcio ndauheaga kipaumbele. We no ignore mũndũ nĩ okereiga we akapost na akeherera that is it. Don't utindĩrĩre atĩ mũndũ nĩ apost na igire nĩ areka ũguo nĩguo we hũrwo mitandao na wewe ũwathiĩ kũrespond andũ makamenya Karangu ũrĩa. Don't allow that. It's high time people started respecting you. That's all I can say to you. Thank you.